guys, I am back with another project. This one is a little different. This is by request of my son. And so here it is. It's a butterfly knife. This one's called the Fire Phoenix. And if you want to get this little project, check out the description box below. There will be a link to Temu, of course. So let's take a look at this. Let's see. All right, there's a little correction right there, but it looks like this is going to be pretty straightforward and simple. So let's get to crafting. All right, if that wasn't too fast for the old eyeballs, I used some Prismacolors on the inside. Might be hard to see, but I just had to have some flames in there. It doesn't have to look perfect on this end. So we got a cool little flame action going on in there because this is a Fire Phoenix. So we're going to put these pieces together now.